creatives, and welcome to another video. So today I'm here to share a haul with you, and that is why I have these two boxes here on my table or on my desk. So I have to be honest, I just went a little bit overboard. So I bought stuff because I needed new tiny word stickers and I wanted the mini envelope punch board, and then this happened. So I ordered two web shops, one Dutch one, Scrabookdepot, and one, of course, Craftelier, which is this one. So I'm going to share with you today what I bought, and yeah, let's do a Happy Meal Friday, but then different. So here is the first box, and this is my Craftelier order. Yay, I'm super excited. So this is the packing slip, and I will put this in my journal as I do with my receipts. But look at this beautiful Craftelier card, and I'm definitely going to put this in my journal. Absolutely love these cards. And then they also put in candy. So yeah, I'm going to take something out of the box, but I think I'm going to move the box aside in a little while to show you what I got. But there was also this free fabric wristband in there. Look how cute. It is amazing. I love it. So yeah, thank you, Craftelier. And now let's move into my haul at Craftelier. I'm going to move the box aside, so I will take everything out once at a time, and we'll share with you what I purchased. So, first thing from Craftelier is this Distress Oxide Speckled Egg. Very excited. It's one of the new colors. I also wanted to buy the other new colors, but they were sold out. So I just got myself a Speckled Egg Distress Oxide. Next, I gave myself this stamp chamois, and I bought this to clean my stamps. I saw Heba from my little journal using this to clean her stamps, and I thought I would try it out because I'm a very terrible stamp cleaner, and if it takes me too much time to clean my stamps, I don't do it. So I thought I would try this one out. It says just add water, and then you can thoroughly clean your stamps without any trouble. So I'm looking forward to trying this out as well. So this was also one of the things that I really wanted to get from Craftelier. I also bought myself some tape dispensers. Mine are running out, and I usually buy them at Action, but well, I was ordering at Craftelier and I really wanted to try these out. So I bought 5 of them because you can never have enough glue or tape. So I'm very excited to try these out. I don't know, they're brand new, but I bought 5 of them, of course, to try out. And let's see if this is a tape dispenser I like or not. Next up, I also bought these letter stickers or alpha stickers from Simple Stories. It's from the Color Vibe book. I really also wanted to get more of the colored ones, but they were sold out, so I only got the black and white one or the neutral colored one, which is always a good one because, well, you know, you can put neutral stickers on everything. I will show you. So you have 3 different fonts in there. So this bigger one. Then you have the typewriter font and a smaller one, and then in different colors. So this one is more of a cream. You can't see it on camera, but I promise you the letters are there. And also a typewriter font and a smaller one. Then we have this brown one, which is also really nice, and with a typewriter font. And then we also have a different cream color. So this one is a little bit darker than the other one with the same fonts. And then we have a gray one, which is of course also always a good one, and another black one. Is it the same? I don't know. This is a gray one. So this is a gray brown one, and this is a black one. So they're different colors, but they're all neutral. Which I very much enjoy. So I'm very happy to have these letter stickers for in my stash. Then I got myself this Dina Wakley stencil with cross hatches. I'm very enjoying Dina Wakley, her products at the moment, and I am very much gravitating to them. So I wanted to add this to my stencil collection. And that's not the only Dina Wakley product I bought. I also bought some stamps. I only have the circle pattern stamps, and it's one of my absolute favorites to use. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying these because it's a different style and it gravitates more to the style that I am going to. So I bought this stamp set with the scribbled branches, and I think they will look very, very cool. I also bought this stamp set that is called Always Flowers because of the beautiful scribbly flowers, and I think they are very, very versatile. I also grabbed this one. So I also got myself some alphabet stamps, and I really, really love this font. So this is from a Spanish brand, I believe, or Laura Breiler. I don't know, I can't pronounce that. But you can get this one at Craftelier. And I really love the tall letters, so I also got myself some alphabet stamps. And I also got this flower stamp from Dina Wakley. It is called Good Idea. And I also thought that these would be very versatile because I think you can use her stamps as focal points, but you can also use them as background stamps because they're so scribbly and messy. I'm very looking forward to working with these and trying these out. Then, of course, I also got the thing that I wanted. I wanted the mini envelope punch board. I use my envelope punch board a lot. I have the normal one. I also have the one that they still did the black backing and not the white. So that's one that's pretty old and I use it so much. But sometimes I want to have smaller little envelopes. And I thought, well, let's try the mini envelope. So if I don't like it, I will let you know. But I think I'm going to love it because it just gives me some smaller sizes to work with, and I think they will look great in envelope flipbooks or in snail mails if you want to have just a smaller sized envelope. So I'm very excited to try this one out as well. Then I got myself another alphabet stamp, and this one is also from a Spanish brand, which I'm not going to pronounce this name because I will butcher it. But you can get this at Craftelier, and I really liked the font because it's so different. You have the stripes and the full, and I thought it would be very fun to stamp out someone's name or use this as titles for in my journal. So I'm very excited to have a font like this. It's different from anything that I have, so I'm very, very excited. I also got more washi tape. I couldn't resist. I already bought some Dina Wakley washi tapes, but I have not had this set yet, and I love this set, so of course I added that as well in my basket. So some new Dina Wakley washi tapes, or at least new to me. Then the last two things from Craftelier are these two paper pads. So I buy my papers from AG Digitals and they are wonderful, but I don't have a printer that's 12 by 12. And sometimes I want to create a very big envelope with pattern paper and I can't use it. So I do like to buy the paper pads if I can from Crate Paper. So I bought Fresh Bouquet. I also have this as a digital, so that is really, really cool. But I really wanted to have the paper pad as well, so I will give you a look into the paper pad. You know, I love everything Crate Paper, so yeah, I really love this collection, and I also love this paper pad, and I'm very happy that I have the 12 by 12 right now, because sometimes you just need a bigger piece of paper, especially when you're making a journal or a journal cover or creating an envelope for a snail mail. Then it's nice to have a bigger piece of paper. Well, now it will repeat itself, so I'm very happy to have this 12 by 12. And I also bought the Magical Forest 12 by 12. I bought the kit. I haven't cut it up yet, but I do have the digital kit from this. So I really wanted to have the 12 by 12 as well. And I really love this collection. So I think I'm going to use this for fall or fall snail mail, or maybe a journal. I really love this collection. It's just so cute, and it really makes me happy. Almost everything Crate Paper does. So yeah, I also got this 12 by 12 paper pad. Very, very much love it. So that was my haul at Craftelier. Thank you, Craftelier. And now I will share what I got at Scrabookdepot. So at Scrabookdepot, I went a little bit mad with the Tim Holtz goodies because I couldn't get the word stickers at Craftelier. I went looking for a Dutch web shop that had the Tim Holtz word stickers. And then I found Scrabookdepot and they had a lot of Tim Holtz things. And I went a little bit nuts. So I bought these 3 collage papers from Tim Holtz, and oh, they look amazing. So I have the botanical one, which looks absolutely amazing. I have Typeset, which is also a very, very pretty one. And of course, the one with the big butterfly, it's called Entomology. I also got that one, which also looks great. So I think I'm going to have so much fun in my journals with these collage papers. And so they are on a roll, and I don't know how big they are. Let's open one up. So they are on this roll, and they have this plastic around them. But when you open that up, so this is a tissue paper, and look at how beautiful this is. I absolutely love it. So they will be perfect in my journals. Absolutely amazing design, and I'm very happy that I have them. I think I'm going to open up the other ones as well for you. So I'm going to, don't rip it. I'm going to put this one back. And I love it that they are in these things. I don't know how you call them, the packaging, because that makes them easy and they will not roll out, if you know what I mean. So then this is the botanical one. Look at how gorgeous this one is. Oh, this makes me so happy. I feel so inspired. I want to journal right now. Oh, I'm so excited. So I also really love this one. And with the beauty with tissue paper is that they will be, it looks like they are a part of your page. So they are very, very easy to use and very fun product to use. And now I have some Tim Holtz ones. Super excited. So I think I'm going to maybe invest a little bit more in some Tim Holtz and Dina Wakley products. Because I very much enjoy their style at the moment. And where that is going, and it's fitting my style, where I am going. So that's fun. I love it that you always change in what you are making. Look at this beautiful text. This makes me so happy because this is also so versatile. You can put it on everything. You can put this on literally everything. So I'm very excited to have these and try them out. Yeah. So that's my first Tim Holtz little goodie. So I'll put them here so you can see what I got from Scrabookdepot. Then I also fell for this. You understand why, right? This is an ephemera pack by Tim Holtz Ideology. It's called Botanical, and it has all butterflies and botanicals in there, and they are just amazing. And well, you understand why I got myself this, right? And it's jam-packed. So I don't think I'm going to take this out because I don't want this video to be forever. But yeah, I very, very much like this this ephemera pack. Then on to the tiny word stickers. So I wanted to have the small talk, but then all of a sudden that one was sold out when I wanted to place my order. But I found other ones that I never had before. So I went a little bit crazy and I bought 3 books of word stickers. So first of all, we have the metallic sticker book, and this one has also some labels in there and metallic words and sayings. So this is gold on white, and then you also have them black and gold, which I very, very like. And this is a little bit like the small talk one. It has sayings like let's celebrate, free to fly, trust your heart, see the world, seen and noted, be your best, fearless, all those kinds of words. But I really liked that it was metallic. Then I've seen this one everywhere and I really wanted it for so long, but I couldn't get my hands on it, and now I have it. It's the clippings sticker book, and it has these type of leather word stickers in there, and I love it. I am so happy I bought this, and I can't wait to use this. I think it will look great in my junk journal. It absolutely love them. Also the different fonts and different tones of brown, and I am very excited to try this one out. Then I also got the Chit Chat ones. So I have Chit Chat and Big Chat, and these are single words. which will be very interesting because I can make my own quotes. So yeah, I'm very excited to use these. So these are like the small talk word phrase stickers, but these are single words, and I can try to make my own quotes with these, which makes me very, very excited, or just use a single word. And I also got the big ones for on bigger projects or on my art journal pages, and I can also make my own words or quotes with this one. So I'm very excited to have these. So yeah, I didn't get the small talk sticker book that I wanted, but I did get 4 others. I also got myself another Tim Holtz stencil. This one is called Schoolhouse, and it has the alphabet on there. I think it's a good layering stencil. I also got my first set of Tim Holtz stamps. Oh, I'm so excited. So I got myself the wildflowers ones. I would love to have the flutter one with all the butterflies, but it's always sold out everywhere. So I went for the wildflower ones because I also have the dies for this. So I will check if the dies fit this one. I'm not sure. It looks like it, but I'm not sure. But I think it will be great to stamp with these stamps. And it's my first Tim Holtz stamp set. I'm so excited. Yay! Then I got myself some other supplies. So a couple of months ago, I asked all of you what a good glue would be, and I'm trying out different glues. And I found I got this one recommended, the Art Glitter Glue, and I'm very excited to try it out. So I could get this one at Scrabookdepot. It's the Art Glitter Glue. I will let you know what I think. I also got myself the football Dina Wakley football pen. Camera, focus please. I will let you know what I think of this pen for art journaling, but I'm happy to try this one out as well. I got myself even more Dina Wakley stencils. I got this one with these very, very cool patterns, and it is called Marks, and I think this will be a great stencil to use as layering pieces or texture pieces for my art journal pages. And I got this one which looks a little bit more adventurous, so I'm very excited to try this one out. And this is called Lined Circles. I don't have anything like this, so I'm very excited to try these stencils out. And then the last things that I got were these cling foam stamps by Tim Holtz. So I have more Tim Holtz stamps, yes. I have these alphabet stamps. So this is block upper and this is block lower. And I've heard that you can use them with acrylic paint. So I'm going to check out some more tutorials or a Tim Holtz demo where he uses these and what he is using them for, but I've heard you can safely use them with acrylic paints, which is very nice because then I can stamp with paints, and you all know I have a lot of paints, so that is very nice. I'm looking forward to that, and I also really love the font of these. Of course, you can also use them with inks, but I'm very excited to try these out as well. So that is my that is my order with these 2 web shops. I got myself a lot of goodies. I treated myself with some stamps and some washi tape, and yeah, I'm looking forward to trying all of these out and using everything in my journals, so keep a lookout for that. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you enjoyed seeing what I got myself, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up. I would also love it if you would consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Put the notification bell on all notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. You can also become a patron of mine. Link for that is down below in the description box, and you can get an extra video every week or get digital printables every month or a Zoom meeting, so go check that out. It's linked down below in the description box. It would mean the world to me if you would become a patron of mine, and thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!